Did you know that you can get deported from the Philippines just for managing your own business without the right permit? Yes, even if you have a valid visa. Stay with me. This could save your stay. Hey foreign friends, this one is important, especially for those of you living, working, or running a business here in the Philippines. I was in a Grab ride the other day, just minding my own business, when I heard something that caught my attention. There were foreign nationals arrested and detained for working without proper permits from the Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE. And worse, they're facing deportation and blacklisting. That means no coming back ever. Just owning a business is not enough. If you are managing it, involved in daily operations, or even working casually, you are considered employed. That means you need more than just a visa. You need the right work permit too. Common visas you might have: 9G working visa, 13A spousal visa, SRRV retirement visa, SIRB or FIB investor's visa. Having a visa does not automatically mean you're legally allowed to work. You still need an alien employment permit or AAP issued by DOLE. Some exemptions applied. If you are married to a Filipino or holding a top executive position like president or managing director in a registered company, then you might be exempted or excluded from needing an AAP. But don't assume. Check first, ask, verify. Bottom line, having a visa without the proper permit is like driving with a license but no registration. You are still breaking the law. Be smart, be compliant. Don't risk your future in the Philippines just because of a missing document. If you are unsure about your status or need help processing the right documents, talk to us at JRC Visa. Stay legal and stay informed. This is JRC, your Every Foreigner's Guide for visas and real estate in the Philippines. And I'll be seeing you on our next Visa Monday videos.